In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect a Squarespace form or newsletter block to Flodesk using Zapier. So here I have a test page on my website, and I'm just going to add a form block to it to demonstrate. So I don't want all of these fields on my form block since I'm just collecting emails to add to my email list. I'm going to get rid of the message field, the subject field, and I'm actually going to get rid of the name field and add in a text field that just says first name because I don't want people to feel like they have to give me their last name, and I'm going to make that required. Put that up at the top. And I'm going to name my form something that I can easily recognize in Zapier. So I'm just going to name it Flodesk Test. And then under storage, I want to X out of the email option because I don't want form submissions to be sent to my email, and I'm going to select Zapier instead. And it's going to show up yellow here because I haven't set up the Zapier connection yet. Hit apply. Now for a newsletter block, it's basically the same thing. In fact, setting it up in Zapier is exactly the same. But here you're going to set up your newsletter block like you normally would, and under storage, you're going to click to X out of the Squarespace email campaigns, hit connect other services, and then select Zapier here instead. So I'm just going to discard this for now, save it out. Over in Zapier, I'm going to click Make a Zap. And then I'm going to choose Squarespace as the first app. The triggering event is going to be automatically populated with new form submission because there's no other option. This is the same for newsletter and form blocks. They just call it a form submission. Then click Continue. I'm going to connect my Squarespace account. Click Continue. I'm going to choose the form. So Flodesk Test, here it is. Click Continue. And then I'm going to hit test and continue to make sure that the connection works. And it does. So now I'm going to select Flodesk as the second app. For the choose action event, I'm going to select create or update a subscriber. There are other options that you can explore if you want to, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just showing you how to set up a form for collecting emails to add to your email list. So I'm going to hit continue, connect my Flodesk account. And then you're going to select the segment that you want to add subscribers who signed up to this form, the segment that you want them added to. So I'm just going to choose a random segment that I have set up in Flodesk already. And then I'm going to select for the email field the Zapier demo at squarespace.com. Now you have the option to add the first and last name fields here. So I created this custom first name field right here. And once you set that up, you can click Continue, test and continue to make sure that the connection works. And it does. And you're all set. So now you can turn on your Zap whenever you're ready.